Thank you, everyone. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. सभी को नमस्कार. Good evening, everyone. I want to talk about Triple R first. It has truly been an honor being a part of my Jakkana's vision. It has always been an honor being a part of your film. Not because you've been a successful director, not because you are a successful director. Probably you're the only director who can tickle the senses of a true actor, who can challenge the senses of a true actor and give him an opportunity to understand himself as an actor. It చాలా సందర్భాలు వస్తాయి మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడడానికి ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ గురించి. There are going to be other events to talk about Triple R, but I really want to reserve all my thoughts of Triple R, my excitement of Triple R, and I'm going to talk about Triple R and the experiences of Triple R. Talking about having spoken about Jakan, I want to talk about his pillars. Keeravani garu, I really think that my experience as an actor is too small in front of the experience of you as a music director. You're many things. Sergi, it's been a great 20-year journey with you. One of my greatest super hit songs have come from you. And here it is, Triple R. Another milestone for you to showcase to the world. Thanks for being a true pillar for Triple R. Sendil, he is the eye of Rajamouli. And you've done a brilliant job. For many films you've traveled with him. For Bahubali 2. But now we have Triple R. And I really can't wait for the world to watch the film through your eyes. Thank you so much for being his eye, Sendil. Sabu sir, truly a legend, as Charan said. Thank you so much for being the force for Triple R as well. I mean, these are all the R's you never see in the front, but these are the R's you see behind him. And Vallamma and Amina garu, that's Rama Rajamouli. I call her Amina garu. And I don't want to speak about my mothers. My mothers, there they are, and they've been mothers all my life, and they will be mothers all my life to me. Thank you so much for guiding us. Dane garu, for believing in his vision, supporting him with all the necessary funds, and equally sharing the vision with him. Hats off, Dane garu. Shreya, welcome back. And Ajay sir, as I mentioned earlier, really don't want to say this again, but we grew up watching Ajay sir's films, and I mean, he's been the same then and even now. His command over action, acting, his true dedication towards film has always surprised me, and he continues to surprise us. Thank you so much, Ajay sir, for being a part of Triple R. Talking about Alia, as I said, when we were having our chai with Karan sir here, I always truly believe that you've just scratched the tip of the iceberg. There is so much out there for you. Thank you for opening the doors for that, Alia, and many more to come. And there's so much for you to rule. You're our rising, amazing actress we have, and just please continue rising. Karan sir, as my brother here said, there is this aura in you which just passes through people. So when when we turn the pages back again, and when we want to talk about two people who have broken the boundaries of regional films and made it one big Indian film it will be Rajamouli and you people will be remembered in history, sir. Because I said you can't clap with a single hand. Thank you for opening those doors. Thank you for making us apna or not paraya. And it's because of you, I think we're very confident standing here. आज इस मंच पर खड़े होके बात करने के लिए भी ना सर, वो जो शक्ति आ रही है वो आपका कंफर्ट से आ रहा है. Thank you so much for making us feel so comfortable. And last but not the least, I don't know which is bigger for me. It's been a fan moment sharing this stage with him. And as Charan said, I mean, you can't describe that kind of a human being in simple words. You know, there are sometimes you just go off words, and this is what happens when you talk about Salman Bhai. Truly a great heart. Thank you so much for introducing us and welcoming us onto this stage and sharing the Triple R moments. And my brother here, Charan. Charan is many things to me. I mean, there are certain times, there are certain feelings which you really can't put it in words. You want to just feel them. And I think everyone around here does not deny that fact, and they know what we are as friends and brothers. We were friends, we are friends, and we will be friends forever. Thank you so much, Charan, for being a friend, sometimes a guide, sometimes everything. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And last but not the least, అభిమాన సోదరులందరికీ ఒక్కటే మనవి చేసుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నిజంగా ఈరోజు అంటే నిజంగా మీరు మా వెనకాల ఉన్న ధైర్యం, మీ అందరూ మాకు ధైర్యాన్ని చూపించి ముందుకు వెళ్ళండి, ప్రేమని పంచడానికి మేము ఎల్లప్పుడూ ఉంటామని చెప్తున్న మీరు చూపించే అభిమానం, మీరు చూపించే ఆప్యాయత ఎల్లప్పుడూ ఇలాగే మా పైన ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటూ, దయచేసి ముంబై నుంచి మళ్ళీ మన ఇంటికి తిరుగు ప్రయాణం చేయాలి. జాగ్రత్తగా అందరూ ఇంటికి వెళ్తారు అని మిమ్మల్ని మనసారా కోరుకుంటూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. జై హింద్.